Dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. I am Amdadullah, assistant teacher, Gulest Hafiz Memorial Institute. Today I am going to take your English class, English first paper. Now I will take a class from your textbook, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Today your topic is Unit 7, different people, different occupations. Different people, different occupations. Different occupations. Lesson 1. Lesson 1. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Today we will discuss about pulse, about the lesson pulse, pulse, pulse. From this lesson we will find some new words. Now I am introducing with you with some new words. So let us discuss about some new words. Mythology. Do you know what is the meaning of mythology? Okay, let us know. Mythology, the Bengali word of mythology is Pauranik Kahini. Pauranik Kahini. Pauranik Kahini. The English meaning of this word is a popular belief of or assumption belief or assumption that has grown up around someone or something. That has grown up around someone or something. Synonym of this word is conviction. Synonym of this word is conviction. Ancient. 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 The Bengali word of ancient is prachin. The English meaning of this word is having lived or existed for a few long time. Having lived or existed for a few long time. Synonym of the word primitive. Primitive. Dissolved. Dissolved. Dissolved means the Bengali word or Bengali meaning of the word dissolved is dhrobibhuto ba jolito. Dhrobibhuto. Dhrobibhuto. Golito. Golito. The English meaning or English meaning of the word be absorbed by liquid. Be absorbed by liquid. Be absorbed by liquid. Be absorbed by liquid. Synonym of the word is melted. Melted. Status. The Bengali word or Bengali meaning of the word status is morjada. Morjada. English meaning or English synonym of the word is the condition of a person in the eyes of others. The condition of a person. The condition of a person in the eyes of others. Synonym of the word rank. Rank. we have learned some new words from this passage. Now, read the text silently and answer the following questions. Read the text. 2 minutes time. Students, I hope you have completed your reading. Now, answer the following questions. Do you think pulse were discovered by ancient? Why? Why do you think pearls were valued? Pearls were valued in the past. In the past. What good luck the knight thought, the knights thought, the knights thought, what good luck the knights thought would pearls bring them. Would pearls bring them. Look at the whiteboard. Look at the board and read the questions carefully. Now, everybody find the answer of these questions and write the answers in the comment section. I will check your answer and give you marks. Okay. Now, let's discuss about multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions is your first question in the exam. You will find 7 questions. And each question have 4 answers. 1 correct answer and others are wrong answer. You should find the correct answer and write down in your answer sheet. Okay. Let's discuss some multiple choice questions. I will write or I will give you only correct answer. Question number 1. MCQ. The word sign in the phrase, as a sign of love, as a sign of love in the passage means, in the passage means. I will only give you the correct answer. Wrong answer is not needed. If you know the correct answer, then you can answer in your answer sheet. The word sign in the phrase as a sign of love. Here, the word sign. The word sign in the phrase as a sign of love. It means sign means symbol. Sign means symbol. Pearls have been mentioned. Pearls have been mentioned many times in pearls. You have read the text and you should know pearls have been mentioned many times in where have the pearls mentioned many times? The answer is divine books. In divine books. Divine books pearls have been mentioned many times. Man discovered pearls while they were for food. While they were dashed for food. Man discovered pearls. Man discovered pearls while they were dashed for food. When man discovered pearls? When they were searching for food. In the passage, you have found that there is a sentence: man discovered pearls when they were searching for food. So the correct answer is searching. In the question, there is no word searching. There is a similar word of searching. So we have to find out the similar word of searching. The similar word of searching is looking. The similar word of searching is looking. dash old Egyptians dash balloon pals. Balloon pals. Old Egyptians dash balloon pals. In the passage, you have find this sentence. Old Egyptians balloon pals. How balloon? The correct answer or the answer is highly balloon. Old Egyptians highly balloon pals. To the Greeks, Paul was a sign of and social position. What may be the answer? In your passage, you have found this line or this sentence. To the Greeks, Paul was a sign of riches and social position. So the answer is riches. Paul was a sign of riches. Okay. We have tried to find out some MCQ questions or multiple choice questions. Now your homework. I'll give you some questions and you will find the answer of these questions and write the answer in comment section and I will check your answers. When and how was Paul discovered? When and how was Paul discovered? When and how was Paul discovered? Why were the ancient Egyptians buried with pearls? Why were the ancient Egyptians buried with pearls? How was the pearl to the Greeks? How was the pearl to the Greeks? How was the pearl to the Greeks, who used pearl as ornaments in ancient time. Who used pearl as ornaments in ancient time. In ancient time. Look at the questions again and read the questions carefully. This is your homework. You will find out the answer of these questions and write the answer in the comment section. I will check your answers. Dear students, everybody take care of your health, be safe and be safe. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much.